Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another episode of We Are What We Eat. If you are joining us for the first time, this is Veronica's channel. I know it's quite a while, but I was trying to make more medical research. As I told you before, most of the things I bring to you are medically certified and some of them are experienced. So I try to make sure my work should be at least 80 to 90% proven correct. So that's why I took this much time. But never mind. Today, as we all know, this channel is to remind us that the health benefits of plants, that we need to include them in our daily diet and possibly use them as some of our medications. I was watching an episode that was talking about the Amazon forest, that most cancer treatable plants are found in the Amazon forest. The question you ask is, don't we have drugs? Yes, we do have drugs, but I will tell you the truth as a medical practitioner. When you depend on medical drugs for a long time, some of them have side effects, and sometimes patients don't observe the rule of medication, and that is why some diseases try to linger for a long time, and we call it chronic. And then when you have to take these drugs, especially antibiotics, what antibiotics does is that they will have to break some white blood cells in order to kill the bacteria in question or whatever disease in question. And that is why most times when we ask people to take antibiotics, we tell them to take something that will help to boost their blood level. So I'm only just letting you guys know that it will be nice if we have plants in our diet and in some of our medications. But then, even if we are taking plants as our medication, we should also seek medical help to know the dosage for which we could take them. And this leads us to the point whereby we are going to be talking about few plants today. Before I forget, most plants, vegetables especially, like coconut too, they all have polyphenol chemicals which help to exchange the free radicals that are not needed by the body, for us to have a balanced electrolyte in our body. So these are some of the things that plants give. Now let's go into the plants we have proper for today. Today I'll be talking about this plant. We call it licorice in English, and in Portuguese it's called alcacuz. It's a well-known plant. I'll show you the image. And what does it contain? The basic chemical content of the plant is glycyrrhizin, which, with the help of this chemical, it helps to reduce reflux and indigestion problem, especially those that might be experiencing the effects of peptic ulcer or ulcer caused by H. pylori bacteria. I will tell you that from my own point of view. This is the plant. It's in Portuguese. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. The root of it, the root. So it's very good. Maybe if you really want to treat your ulcer to the fullest, like if you don't want to take antibiotics, you can boil it as tea and use the liquid to blend cabbage. Cabbage is another good plant that helps to treat ulcer. And then you mix it. Take it before your meal, maybe 30 minutes before your meal and 30 minutes after your last meal. Another way is that when it is well boiled, the root is very soft, so you can chew it if you want. I'm telling this one from experience, so it has really helped me. It is anti-cancer property too. It has that anti-cancer because it helps to antioxidize and reduce anti-inflammation that is in the body. It's also good for upper respiratory condition. Yes, I'm going to tell you this with the history of the plant, that it is one of the oldest plants found in Western Asia and in Europe. And based on the history, that in the ancient days they used it to prepare a respiratory medication for the Egyptian king. So they have verified it and it works. So it's very good. It's also good for the teeth. Yes, it's a very good that helps to kill the streptococcus bacteria that affect the teeth or any other bacteria that affect the teeth. It also helps to reduce diabetes and menopause symptoms, as well as boost weight loss. Yes, menopause symptom in the essence that it helps to reduce this hot flash women feel when they are in their menopause level by helping to stimulate more release of estrogen in the body, because estrogen is one thing that women have that helps them for memory and develop other mammalian organ or other organs of reproduction. So at the menopause stage we begin to lose some of these hormones. It also helps to treat hepatitis C. So these are some of the health benefits of this licorice plant. You can give it a try. It's advisable you can take it like up to 8 weeks and then see a change. It has some few side effects, like it helps to reduce blood potassium if taken for a very, very long time, like beyond 8 weeks. And also it helps to cause heartburn and high blood pressure, because it helps in digestion. So of course it could help to cause high blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, please, we advise you not to go for it. As I said before, I will not make the overemphasis concerning plants, but I'm not saying we should be vegetarians. I'm only reminding us that we shouldn't let go plant, and if that is the case, we should be careful when we do. The government or the society where we live does a lot of deforestation. It is not to our health benefit, neither to the environment benefit. Apart from this, which plant gives us, the oxygen too, it's important. So I can't overemphasize plants, and that's to tell us the secret of nature. So thank you so much for being part of this video. If you please send your comments, don't forget to like, share or subscribe. If there is any plant you want me to talk about or any health benefit you want me to talk about, please feel free to put it at the comments. So that will help me in my findings, because I wouldn't know what you really need at the moment except if you asked. So please put it at the comment and tell me what, why don't this, that, and that's it. Yeah, it's welcome. All right, bye for now. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. Thanks.